There have been a lot of meetings and a lot of discussions this week about Wales's future, what extra powers we are going to get, how we can get the powers we need to build our economy. But the right to decide, the right of people to decide their own future has been a big issue here in the European Parliament as well. Following the Scottish referendum, of course, more and more people are thinking about constitutional change, and nowhere more so than in Catalonia. There was a big meeting here earlier this week about the right of the Catalan people to decide their own future. The majority of them want to be independent. They want to hold a referendum, a legal referendum on the 9th of November. But the Spanish government has taken them to court over that and said they can't do that. So what the Catalan government has said is that they will now hold a referendum. It'll be a consultation of the people. They are going to ask people what they think, and then following that there'll be other elections. So the whole subject of the debate is who decides our future? Do we have the right to do it ourselves, or do other governments have the right to do that? It's something that the whole of the European Union is looking at and thinking about and watching, because it will affect every one of us.